What's going on, guys? Another day in the shop. It's my one day off. So what we're going to do, last week we did a lot of barn work. I really didn't think y'all be interested in watching that. So I didn't put out a video last week. I did a couple video shorts of vehicles I found. I've also been ordering some parts. I didn't give up on it, but I ordered the correct parts for the inner fender wells to put this outer fender well back on. I ordered a couple more inside parts that you just couldn't weld through them. There was just, the metal was too thin. So, well, oh, excuse me. Just got done eating lunch. I'm sorry. Bad day. Anyway, got those parts on order. Actually, I'm measuring for my gas tank. I've started buying the gas tank. I bought the fuel line that's on its way. Bought the fuel line kit for the pressure. Got the filter and got everything coming. Believe it or not, in watching another YouTuber, his name is the Video Entrepreneur or the Videopreneur. He's doing a 61 C10, and he actually suggested using a 1969 Mustang gas tank. They make one with it's already set up for fuel injection and stuff, and watched his video, and that's what we're gonna do. So it's fairly cheap. It's only a couple $100, so we're gonna get that. We're gonna have to build the brackets to put it in and remove a bracket on the rear end of it and everything. But so today what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try to go ahead and get the motor mounts completed, get them finished welding up, and also drill the holes for the bolts, because we had to move the motor back and forth. So yeah, we're going to do that. We're going to drill the holes, finish welding them, and then also try to get the torque converter bolts in, that's a whole different ball of wax. You have a very small window to move the flywheel and then hold the torque converter in place to line the bolts up. I've watched 2 or 3 videos on how to do it, and it's really a 2-man job, so I've got somebody here to help me do that. But anyway, y'all hang with us. Come on with it before you forget it. We're going to get on it, and we'll go from there. Oh, and hey, by the way, just thought about something. In my other video I posted, we thought we found a hole in the top of the cylinder. I kind of got down there and scratched it, and there on these LS53s, there's an indent in the piston. And basically what that hole was, it was a buildup of carbon. So, we're good to go, no hole, compression was good, it actually holds compression. I filled it full of air, and it went from there. So, we're good on that. Yippee-ki-yay. We're going to go ahead and get these torque converter bolts going now. Got that there. Our torque converter bolts. I'm going to take this jacket off because here it is. It's almost April and it's 35 degrees out. Winter is still holding on. actually might work better. Trying to figure out how to do this. This is so freaking strange to be doing it this way. Plug in my homemade light here. This is wild. Huh. I promise you guys the fun stuff's fixing to begin because we're gonna start running the wiring, you know, the kit that I have, the kit that I got. There we go. What is it? Ah, 13. The kit that I have for the EFI is a fast EFI kit, so it's got its own computer. I don't have to reconfigure any harnesses or anything like that. It's basically plug and pray. So, that's what we're shooting for. Everything's looking cool. I'm telling you what. Need to make some coffee, what I need to do. All right, so those two bolts are in. Gonna be a good short video this week. Not a really long one, because I don't have all the parts I need to do what I need to do. I did get these steely sandblasted with the water blaster I got, and had some 25-year-old tires put on them just to, you know, they won't go flat. Got to mount them up, but hey, it's working. I'll never do that again in a million years. I pushed that torque converter and it lined up perfectly. Of course, it would be a 14. And I got a 13. I don't have a 14. Ooh. Do have a 14. Socket. And it won't work. Got to get a wrench. Y'all bear with me, I'm running around like a chicken with my head. All right, well finally I found a 14 millimeter. Imagine that. See if I can do this. Well, that's lovely. Does not go high enough for me. All that time looking for a 14 and it didn't. Now, hopefully, when we rotate this, here we go. Number 2. Again, it is just not meant for somebody my height. Nuts. Now you see why I'm out of breath. But torque converter's in. Everything's bolted down. I think what we'll do now is we're gonna go ahead and put the starter on. Why? I don't know. We're just gonna do it. I got a brand new starter to put on. So we're gonna do that, but I'll be back shortly. motor mounts are done, welded in and bolted down. You got everything done. Show you a look here. Flip this thing around. Yep. Now we just got to tighten them up, and I'm taking these straps off. Yep. Yep, so well, it's been a short week. It's my only day off, so what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and end it here. I've got to go get some parts. I got parts coming in. So, yep. Whoa, hey, where'd y'all go? There you go. Anyway, yeah, we're going to make this a short week today. Still got some stuff to do. Like I said, got to measure for the gas tank, get the gas tank in, get the fuel lines. I've already ordered the fuel lines. Ordered the inner rocker panel, got the outer rocker panel already. So, hey, we're making progress. Motor's in. I ordered header bolts. Don't know where they are, so I've lost them. So I got to order some more. I'll probably go buy O'Reilly's this afternoon and pick some up. I'm gonna take this strap off. I'm thinking I'm gonna pick up some intake gaskets and go ahead and pull the intake off just to replace the intake gaskets, make sure I don't have any problems with that. It looks like it's already got a new water pump on it. So, hey, y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Please, I appreciate y'all watching. Everything's awesome. I've got 174 subscribers now. Long way from 1,000, but hey, we're a long way from where we were a month ago. I think I've gained 54 subscribers this month. So, hey, I really do appreciate it. Thank y'all. I know sometimes I don't put out what y'all want to see. I don't understand, but I'm gonna keep going on this, and we'll go from there. So, hey, y'all have a blessed day. Thank you so much for watching, following along. We'll see y'all later. But don't forget, come on with it before you forget it. See y'all later. Bye.